your last performer.
Chase, I know it's you, Chase.
Your last performer, the one who brought this all together, the one who wants to raise money for the Equity Foundation. Give it up for your current thorn, Lux Wolf Minor. Alright, so that is the end of the show. I'll have my Asian